Most people miss one simple step when trying to get a software free trial. They either sign up too fast, or they don't understand what they are actually getting access to. That leads to confusion, wasted time, and sometimes even unexpected charges later. In this video, you will learn exactly how the Service Fusion free trial works in 2026, how to sign up correctly, and what you should check before you start using it. By the end, you will know how to test the platform properly so you can decide if it is right for your business. Let's start with the basics. Service Fusion is a field service management platform used by service businesses like HVAC companies, plumbers, electricians, and repair teams. It helps you manage scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer communication in one place. Now here's the important part. The free trial is designed to let you explore these features before committing to a paid plan. But here's the problem. Many users rush through setup and never actually test the features that matter most for their workflow. So first, how do you usually get the free trial? You go to the official Service Fusion website and look for the option to start a free trial or request a demo. You typically need to enter basic business details like your name, email, company name, and sometimes your industry type. Once you sign up, you get access to the platform dashboard. Now this is where most people go wrong. They just click around randomly. Instead, you should focus on 3 key areas. First, test scheduling. Try creating real jobs like you would in your business. For example, if Alex runs a plumbing company, he should create a same-day emergency job and see how quickly it can be assigned to a technician. Second, test dispatching. This is where Service Fusion is supposed to be strong. Check how easy it is to move jobs between team members and update schedules in real time. Third, test invoicing. Create a sample invoice and see how smooth the process is from job completion to payment request. This step is critical because it affects your cash flow directly. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many users don't realize that the real value of the free trial is not just testing features, but testing your actual daily workflow inside the system. That is what tells you if the software will save time or slow you down. Also, be careful with trial duration. Some trials are limited in time, so you want to set aside a few days to actively use it, not just explore it once. So, here is the simple strategy. Sign up. Set up your real business structure inside the platform and run a few real-world test jobs. That gives you the clearest answer. To summarize, getting the Service Fusion free trial is easy, but using it the right way is what really matters. Focus on scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing. Test real scenarios, not just menus. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more software guides, and comment if you want a breakdown of another tool.